Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show you how to see blocked list on Instagram, so let's start. First go on Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Now tap on this 3 lines. Now you need to tap on settings. Then go to privacy. And scroll down to find blocked account. When you find, go on that. Now you have list of blocked account. On this you can add people on your blocked list. You can also unblock people. Just tap on this and that is it. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.